Okay, so these are basically our first corporate finance questions, the Sem 1 questions. And realistically, I think pretty much the first and the second they're okay, they're not bad. It's pretty simple. The third question is where it actually starts to get hard. So what is the value of the bond today? You have to work out what the value of the bond is today. That's quite difficult. 4 is kind of hard, but it's basically different. It's like not net present values and stuff like that. But I'll try and explain this one. Question 3, question 5, the same thing, is about the bond. Calculate the internal rate of return of the bond. And then this one as well, what is the yield to redemption of the bond? And basically yield to redemption is the same as IRR. So it's pretty similar. And then, so yeah, we'll do question 3 first. And we'll see what we can do. Okay, so question 3. What is that? Okay. So question 3, basically you have 5 years ago, the Italian government issued a 15-year, £100 million bond. 100 million is basically nominal value. That's basically the price of the bond. Like at the start, you have a coupon rate of 3%. Coupon rate of 3%, investors require a return of 7%. What is the value of the bond today? So basically you need to know what the formula is. And because it was 5 years ago, the government issued a 15-year bond. It means it has 10 years left, because it was 5 years ago and it's a 15-year bond. So it's 10 years left. Value 100 million, coupon rate 3%, rate of return required 7%. So that's basically R equals 7%. Okay, so let me see. So basically the way you work it out is, okay, so let me just copy down what we have. Okay, let me see. So we know that n equals 10. So n equals 10 years. The value is 100 million, but that's always, nominal value is always 100 million anyways. So nominal value equals 100. So n equals 10, nominal value equals 100. And what else? Coupon equals 3%. Coupon equals 3%. And we require a rate of return of 7%. So basically what that's saying is R equals 7%. And the formula, basically the formula to doing this is, wait, let me just write it out. So the formula is basically coupon amount, which is 3. It's not even percent, it says 3%, but really you just take it as 3. It's like 3 over 100, 3 quid or something. Coupon amount times by the annuity of R. Coupon amount times by the annuity of R plus, and basically the annuity of R is, you remember when we did, like, this is second year stuff, but this is all like the the present value table. And because we know that R equals 7% and we know it's for 10 years, what you do is you look at 7% and you look at 10 years at 7%, 7.024. So that's the formula. So coupon amount times by annuity of R plus 100, always 100, 1 plus R to the n. And this is the formula you have to know. And this is basically value of the bond today. That's basically the question you're answering, the value of the bond today. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so what are we doing? Okay, so we have coupon amount 3, multiplied by annuity of R, 7%, because R equals 7%. We're always doing what R equals. We're not focusing on, as soon as we do 3 for the coupon, that's it. You kind of forget about it. R equals 7%. That's the most important thing, because it's here and it's in the 1 plus R. So R equals 7%. 7%, 10 years, 7.024. So 7.024. Okay, plus 100, nominal value, it's always 100 regardless. 1 plus R. 1 plus R equals 7%. 0.07 to the power of n. What is n? N is 10 years, because you remember the bond 5 years ago, 15 years, leaves it as 10. 10 years left of the bond. 10 equals, do it into the calculator really quickly, 3 times by 7.024 plus 100, new bracket, 1 plus r, 0.07 to the power of n, 10, and the bracket equals £71.91. 71.91 pence. That is the value of the bond today. 10 years later, initially it was 100 million, now it's 71.91 million, I think. It's not 71 quid, it's actually 71.91 million. 71.91 million. And I need to check the marks. I need to check the marks and see if you say 71.91 million or 71.91 pounds. But that's basically what you're doing. You have to get your important pieces of information. N equals 10, your coupon 3%, R equals 7%. The thing is, I'm worried is like, obviously I'm using this, the present value table. I don't know if they give us this in the exam. And I was thinking like, how else would you work out 7% for 10 years? Like you can't do that in your head. So obviously you need a table. So I don't know, I hope they give it to us in the exam, but I don't really know any other way to do it. So you pick up your important information, 10 years left, 15 years ago, 5 years ago, but it's a 15-year bond, 10 years left. Nominal value is 100 million, always nominal value is 100. Coupon is 3, R equals 7, because they told us the required rate is 7. Sub it into the formula, coupon amount 3 times my annuity of R, 7.024, plus 100 over 1 plus R to the power of n. 100 over 1 plus 7% to the power of 10 equals 71.91 million. And that's basically question 3 done and dusted. Okay.